Hi, everybody. Now, what kinds of lawyers can benefit from implementing AI? Lawyers who have a decent income but struggling with pressure of work and further growth. Lawyers who are looking for an edge to grow fast in their legal career or grow their practice faster. Lawyers who want to learn new skills and get ahead of competition. Lawyers who are struggling with their career and need a break to prove themselves. Law students who want to learn cutting edge skills and get ahead of other law students, lawyers struggling to get enough clients with income below 50,000 INR per month, law graduates unable to crack interviews and get a good job. Now, what are the benefits of AI for legal professionals? You might be earning well, but stagnating, struggling to find time to spend with family, always overworked. If this is you, this bootcamp is perfect for you. You were initially excited about practice, but now monotony is setting in. You're missing deadlines, falling behind on work, and sometimes forced to refuse clients due to lack of time. You struggle to build and retain a team and forced to do all work yourself. You got some success, but that feels like a trap now because you're working too much with no end in sight. Your income may be fluctuating a lot, doing really well in some months and dry patch in other months. You earn more than 1 lakh per month and now you want to rapidly grow. You want to know the way. Your clients expect you to attend to their calls, emails, and problems immediately. As a result, you spend most of your day on calls. If you have these problems, you will surely get answers. Who is AI not for everybody? If you say, just tell me a shortcut to earn well without effort, I don't want to learn, I don't want to invest, but I want success, I don't have time to attend this live, just give me recordings, then this is not for you. We cannot help you. If you're not willing to invest time or effort and do not want to focus or apply your mind, you will not benefit from implementing AI. Over the next few days, we will share how you can use AI to get breakthrough career results, get better paying jobs, more free time, and even scale your own law practice. If you feel that this sounds promising, join our free online 3-day bootcamp online. Everybody, stay tuned and I'll see you there.